In today's podcast, you're gonna find out how you can be a bajillion gazillionaire and why those videos on YouTube are all lies. You get the truth here.
Yes, this is our secret for your success. So let's get into the podcast.
Like, this is the only motivational video you need to see. Because, I'll tell you why. Because we went through all the other motivational videos for you. And we can actually, so basically, we want to compile it in such a way that we save your time.
Yeah,
instant, तुझे instant direct success देगा हम लोग ऐसा instant success for you, and it has been very fun.
It actually was, Like, I like how every channel is somewhat follows a template.
Correct.
Right? It is stock videos, zoom in transitions.
Correct.
Like full ऐसा uplifting music in the background.
हम ऐसे करेंगे. Zoom transition. अभी zoom. ठीक है. Stock video of person running through field with music.
With uplifting music.
Uplifting music. So actually, you know what? Cue uplifting music now.
That's what it sounds like.
आपका दिन बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. You can do this. Life is great. Enjoy. You see, life is but life unless you put more life into it. Basically, you know what, man? I can say gibberish in slow motion. Sorry, slowly. Wow, not slow motion.
Slow motion.
The footage has to be in slow motion with zoom transition, and it will make sense.
100%, dude. This is every motivational video ever.
As a matter of fact, we're linking one down.
Yeah.
Just in case if you're curious which video inspired us, bro. This guy went on for 5 minutes straight, dude, saying today is the first day of my life. ये आपकी जिंदगी का पहला दिन है. ये दिन best रहेगा. इस दिन में you spent 5 minutes.
I think
hyping you up for the day.
Dude, I'll tell you what. So this thing, what you're talking about, has a term.
Correct.
It's called affirmations.
Affirmation.
Affirmation.
Okay.
Affirmation is basically what all of these channels run on.
Got
it is basically tell yourself you will be amazing and you will be amazing.
Okay. So
That's
basically, so the logic is, their logic is that अगर तुमको life में affirm किया तो अमेज बन जाएगा. So मुझे एक चीज बोल कि so I get this is the logic, okay, कि you affirm yourself, you think you're amazing, and then you'll become amazing.
Correct.
But मुझे tell me one thing, how is it like the biggest artists, scientists, people जो भी काम कर रहा है ना, why they think they are shit, why we have depression,
That's
why
true.
you thought about did you think the point is I feel it is. So here's the thing, so one path to success, in doubt always think you are shit.
Yeah, always.
That's
in doubt क्या? In general have that.
हाँ, मतलब never trust anybody else. Somebody gives you compliment, say fuck you.
Say no, you are wrong.
You know why? Because here's the thing, man. Because this is how you get motivated. Your motivation should be कि मैं life में I want to be not shit.
Correct.
Okay?
Yeah.
And that's how you like. Because the thing is, dude, if you think my point is affirmation का problem पता है क्या है? अगर वो बोल रहा है कि तू amazing है, तू सोचेगा मैं amazing है. But अगर तू amazing है, तो फिर तू चूतिया क्यों है? You know what I mean? It's a logical loop. To unchutiafy, you need to change. And to
you
change,
need to accept your chutia to unchutiafy.
Yes,
That's how things work.
Correct.
Like,
I agree. See, so number one, accept
that you suck.
Yeah, and then we can drop the unsucking process may begin.
Yeah.
You know what? Cue music. Accept that you suck. Because only when you can believe in the fact that you suck, can you unsuck and go and get and affirm your life goals.
Wow, unsuck sort of just took me by
surprise. No, yeah. Arey man, you have to come up with new words.
Yeah.
Secondly, these guys come with new words all the time.
That is true.
You know what, man? I realize one thing that हर एक चीज को ना, जैसे कोई भी बच्चा आके मोटिवेशन वीडियो में ना, they'll ask a simple question. अरे पता है क्या, मेरे को ये मोटिवेशन नहीं जम रहा पढ़ाई करने का.
I can't study basically.
हाँ, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा पढ़ाई करने में. Dude, I kid you not. That guy said a 5-minute story, dude. 5-minute story सुनाया, ठीक है, लंबा story सुनाया, बहुत आस्ते सुनाया, because that's how you become like deep.
That's how you make people listen to you.
Yeah, because then be like, hi. तो फिर ये आपकी समस्या है. I'll tell you. You see, once upon a time, there was a boy. So as it goes on 5 minutes, okay? And you know what he's saying? Listen, bro, you need to have a goal. If you're not goal oriented, you will not be motivated.
That's all. Like the video could be a reel.
Correct.
Basically.
Be like goal oriented. And here's the thing. Tip 2. Yeah, bro, You need to be goal
Yeah,
oriented.
no shit. That's how.
No shit, Sherlock.
Yeah.
And to be honest, that's सब बोलता है. And you know what? Instantly, all these motivational guys, right? उनके top 10 who are there people they keep be like.
Steve Jobs. The Steve Jobs is actually number one. Okay.
हाँ.
Steve Jobs is number one. In the Indian YouTube space is Chanakya for sure. Like Chanakya Niti is a big thing.
Correct.
We'll actually link some videos of Chanakya Niti
We'll
specifically.
do Chanakya Niti separately.
Actually, let's dive into that separately.
हाँ.
Then
That's a different podcast.
That is actually a different podcast. Yeah, like mostly these people who have actually been successful.
No. So basically, उसमें है वॉरेन बफे आ जाता है.
हाँ, sorry, Warren Buffett,
अपना वो शार्क टैंक वाले लोग का नाम ले लेते हैं.
Kevin O'Leary, Barbara Cochran. I know only a few.
हाँ, and all these they give all these nice names. You know what's weirdly missing in these names? अदानी अंबानी का नाम नहीं रहता है.
Oh, actually, yeah.
You know,
अदानी अंबानी का बिल्कुल नहीं आता.
because the story of being rich or powerful in any country for the matter of fact doesn't stem from the fact कि bro तू जितना भी अपना life affirm कर ले, जितना भी मेहनत कर ले ना, these two are not what you call factors that ensure you'll become a billionaire.
Correct.
In any context, right? So the fact that these people choose, first of all, they pick and choose these people. You know, these people should read books all the time,
Yeah.
right? But how many books Abani read? Huh? How many books do you think he read a day?
Hey, but see,
He's very rich though.
Yeah, but
my point is, they clearly
they
sorry,
just
cherry pick. They forget about
Yeah,
all
yeah.
the rich people. Haldiram's worth 6,000 crore or something. Haldiram
Arey,
guy,
वही ना.
how many book he read? हाँ, your local
सर आप
मिठाई
HSC पास हुए हो सर.
योर मिठाई शॉप गाय तुम्हारे हर एक टाउन और विलेज सिटी में एक मिठाई वाला है who's worth 100 crores.
Yeah.
How many book he read a day?
Dude, I know.
How much self affirmation he do?
वो छोड़ो, I know one. चलो ये तो बहुत दूर का.
हाँ.
I know an uncle personally who's not past 9th standard, and he's got like the list of properties is fucking insane.
Correct.
He doesn't read books. He gets up, goes to his office, finishes his work, comes back and sleeps.
And
That's
reads
all he
WhatsApp. ठीक है.
Actually, now he does.
तो वही मैं बोल रहा ब्रो. So पहली बात, all these motivational में like all these things, the kind of like even hints they are giving, right? कि your life will work, life will not. See man, one of the biggest things about success is that you have to be lucky. Did you know that?
Yeah, of course.
So, and ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा है. There's like intense research, dude. So the fact that these motivation videos don't talk about, see man, what it should actually talk about is how to live your life peacefully, right? In the sense कि bro, तेरे life में there's a good chance you will not be anything.
Yeah, that's
You know what? This is my motivation to you. You will be nothing in life, most likely. Not because you suck, but because life, the way our society is structured, just mathematically and statistically, it's not possible.
Yeah,
that does not mean you don't try.
Yeah,
by
but
the
there's just
way.
too much against you. That's true.
Correct.
But then
That's the thing. So, dude, there are people who will do 1/1,000,000th of your effort, right?
Yeah.
And just are so lucky things fall into place,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
land up somewhere.
correct. So like in my house, right, my brother's considered to be very lucky and I am not. Like there's a very straight example, घर का example देता हूँ मैं, right? So he also did engineering. He is now working in Mercedes-Benz. Got a settled life at the age of 26. Got married, got his house, got a car, whatever. I am turning 26 in the next week.
Correct.
I'm sitting in front of you talking to you. Which is fine. I like that, right? This is my path. This is my struggle. So I also did engineering. I dropped out. I did this. Whatever. Now because I don't have a car or a house or whatever
Or a wife.
I'm not considered successful in the eyes of society.
Correct.
And he himself will come and tell you, bro, मैं ये सब किया cause मैं lucky था.
Correct.
He's like, if I had your luck, there's a 100% chance I wouldn't have done whatever I did.
Correct. No, my point is, so this is known as a statistical bias.
Yeah.
Right. The point is, successful people don't actually know what they did right. Right.
Possible,
So,
yeah.
for example, agar there is a, say, I'm a company, right? And I'm like, I give advice to shareholders, and I call 1,000 people up, right? 500 को बोला कि तो सेम शेयर ऊपर जाएगा, दूसरा को बोला शेयर नीचे जाएगा.
Law of averages, dude. It has to catch up with you sometime or the other.
So आधे के लिए correct है, आधे के लिए right है,
हाँ.
wrong है. Next day on the people who were right, I call them and give them again 50-50. So by the time I reach the last 5, I would have been correct always.
Always, yeah.
But that doesn't mean I'm actually correct. You know what I mean? And this kind of bias is what creates successful people.
Correct.
But Now let's get back to the videos. So I really have a lot of axe to grind. You saw this channel called Nicology?
Oh my god. Let's talk about Nicology, dude.
Nicology
is one of the most unique channels I found in this space, right? Because okay, let's just list whatever I've gone through. One is Sadhguru, which is spiritual well-being, self-help, whatever. Same isme Guru Gopal Das hai, right? Then there are business business talkers. वो उनका एक दो है, and then Nicology.
See, business talker वाला मैं देखा, ठीक है?
Wait, I'll written the name. Wait. There are two, okay? So there is one, Dr. Vivek Bindra, he's my favorite.
Yeah,
Dr. Vivek Bindra, dude, he's my favorite. I love him.
But so, by the way, he has how many? 17-20 million?
Something like that. We'll put the number up.
Correct. And the fun thing about him was, right, so he's essentially talking about stuff that is basically soft skills.
Yeah,
right?
He talks about soft skills.
Essentially, so on one hand, I kind of liked the content because it was like, I'm teaching you soft skills, how to hold a conversation.
Yeah, just how to be confident, how to behave in public, वगैरह वगैरह.
Basically, जो तुम लोग को management course में सिखाएंगे,
same
generally सिखा रहे, ठीक है. But what thing is, it gets weird is it kind of, just because, here's the thing, man, just because you have an audience and you're teaching like soft skills and stuff doesn't make you like a marker for understanding some really, because it's all
complex
fun
things, yeah.
It's all fun when they're talking about stuff like soft skills and all, where it's helpful, but sometimes they deviate, like Indian colleges and other, like where education ka deep dive mein jate hai na, it enters like a weird territory, man. Where, see, here's the thing, man, education and higher education are like really complex shit. वो सब कुछ soft skills में नहीं हो सकता.
Correct. And like then sort of what happens is this guy thinks he is the authority to speak on it, and that's where it becomes problematic. And because he has the number of people behind him, right? Because there are so many people listening to him, there are comments are filled with, oh my god, this helped me so much, वगैरह. He's got this air about him कि भाई मैं जो भी कर रहा हूँ ना, वो लोगों को तो help कर रहा है.
Correct.
YouTube comment section में देख लो, तो मैं कुछ भी बोलेगा.
Correct.
And nobody is going to cross question him.
Correct.
Because one, we don't come across this stuff, right?
Correct.
Because we don't actively look for it.
Correct.
Second, even if we do, why waste our time in cross questioning this person?
Correct. Who already seems to have like authority.
Yeah.
So my point is, so in this kind of like self-help-ish place, so over here also he's talking about like how your business will grow and all, bro. But the one thing they don't talk about, right, which most businesses need to succeed, is literally capital, bro. कहीं पे भी लिखा नहीं. My point is, हाँ, share में so double your profit, all that bakwas is there. But my point is, bro, बिना capital के you cannot do a business. Even a kachra business, right? If you put enough capital, will become successful.
Correct.
You know what
Makes
I mean?
sense. No, they never.
But the fact that capital access, dude, you have a great idea. The reason you may not be successful is you will not have access to capital.
That's it.
And
their way of overcoming not having capital is this soft skills. Like that's how they portray it.
Correct.
They will never say नहीं तेरे पास पैसा नहीं इसलिए नहीं तू उसके सामने गया और तू ठीक से बात नहीं किया.
But which is fuck all.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Because अगर soft skill इतना था, Mark Zuckerberg again. Wow, I am now motivational speaker.
See, that's what happens.
Mark Zuckerberg, you see na Mark Zuckerberg, how he became rich.
Exactly.
He has no soft skills.
वो soft skills के नाम पे धब्बा है वो. नहीं बात करता वो. Massive social anxiety and all that.
Correct. But also he comes from a super privileged background, by the way. Did you know his parents got him special tuitions, like really expensive tuitions from the world's like best coder or something.
I didn't know
like
that.
Private tuitions.
Oh damn. I didn't know that.
ये
social network में क्यों नहीं पता?
हाँ, skip कर दिया ना.
ये क्यों नहीं पता साले?
Social network में डाला ही नहीं. कि actually my parents were kind of rich, so they got me special tuitions.
Dude, in social network.
ना बता, अपना जो engineering का बच्चा है वो है, उसको who's good at programming, उसको दुनिया का सबसे best programmer के साथ बिठाएगा.
फोड़ देगा ना end में वो.
हाँ ना.
He has access to that knowledge. बात खत्म हो जाती है वहाँ पे.
Correct. तो Mark Zuckerberg was.
Hey, this is cheating. I feel a little pissed off now that I didn't know about this. This is oof.
तो वही बोल रहा हूँ. So success, dude, for you to be successful in life, सबसे पहले you need to feel successful. One. Secondly, you have to keep working on what you have like focused your like eyes on. And thirdly, which is probably the most important, you need to be lucky. You need to meet the right people at the right time, have opportunity.
Yeah.
See, what I feel na, कि life na is essentially like a slot machine, right? And your hard work is the amount of times you get hitting the slot machine.
Correct.
Right.
So your probability are basically increase कर रहे हो success का.
So you cannot like be like, अरे I give up. कभी नहीं कर सकते लाइफ में. योर लाइफ इज नॉट, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज यू कांट बी लाइक आई गिव अप ऑन लाइफ, बट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज बी लाइक हे मैन आई विल कीप एट इट and know that it is not your fault if you're not making it. You know, it's not always your fault.
Yeah, there are so many factors at play. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Correct.
And there are some people who just hit the slot machine once and they're born as an Ambani son and they're khatam.
Or sometimes you make one YouTube video and it's bajillion views.
That's
it happens. My point is, it does happen, but doesn't mean if it is not happening, it's your fault.
Yeah, that's true.
You know,
it doesn't mean that you don't have the soft skills or you are lacking or you are getting up late or whatever nonsense. Dude, this getting up late wala na.
Yeah, man. It doesn't matter. See, dude. So understand why is it important to like sort your life ka schedule. You know, because it helps.
Of course it helps. Yeah.
Because it helps your mind, helps keep
organizing things in general helps.
Correct. But my point is, by organizing your life, you'll become successful. Nahi hone wala, bro.
Nahi. You will just be able to do your task that day.
Correct.
That doesn't mean
you will be an organized failure.
You'll suck, but at least you'll do it systematically.
Correct. That's the thing. But I'm just saying that the odds are just stacked like that on this planet, man. My point is, I hate this fact that society goes like, तेरा गलती है, bro. तू fuck all है, इसलिए तेरे पास कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं, it's either तू fuck all है या तूने ये नहीं किया, इसलिए तू ये है.
And that's never really the case, man. I agree, you can turn your life around at any time.
Yeah.
But उसका सक्सेस फेलियर रेट ना यू रियली डोंट नो. इट्स अबाउट
you can't predict it.
Yeah. In India it's all about like safety net. Anyway, we are digressing. Coming back, Nicology, bro.
Nicology, yes, we started from there.
Yeah. So Nicology as a channel, मैं वो लड़का, so to be honest man, first off, who was doing this, Nick, I'm guessing his name is.
Yeah.
You're doing this video, good job, hard work वगैरह वो सब ठीक है. लेकिन लोडू, you're too young, okay?
ये लौंडा है, ठीक है? ये लौंडा है.
I'm like, bro, you know jack shit. You know, because I tell you what, here's this thing, to give life advice, in my opinion. See, there are some things young people can do, which is awesome, right? But to give life advice, you need to live life.
Live life. At least live life. Yeah.
So मैं Nicology channel देखा ना, bro. It is basically a translated version. Like it is a mishmash of all motivational stuff put together.
Yeah.
And talking, and that's it. He's just talking.
Okay, so
as authority.
To like give you an example, right? I don't know how many of you guys have heard of Jay Shetty, right? He made it big, right? Basically,
that twat.
Yeah. So like I will come to Jay Shetty also, but Nicology is Jay Shetty, all these business people.
Correct.
And ये लोग सबका mishmash. Plus, you know what? I don't know if you went through all his videos. He's made 2 rap songs also.
Oh. भाई
क्योंकि क्या
you know what he is essentially तुम्हारा गली का भाई है वो.
अरे गली का भाई है वो. बॉम्बे में उसका एक I'll link the video down. It's called मेरी शांति का फायदा मत उठा something. जैसा ऐसा नेजी का पहला वीडियो है ना कि ट्रेन का शॉट ब्रिज पे खड़े रह के रैप करेगा. एग्जैक्टली सेम. एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो इज ये 5 चीजें करिए और आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाओगे. अब लाइक 1 मिनट सर आप क्या कर रहे हो? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग?
नो, सो बेसिकली मैन आई फील कि people don't have access to basically ऐसा लगता है ना, we look outwards and we're looking at all these, and especially in the Instagram life we always have a sense कि everybody is
doing better.
Oh, you know what, I think I know why why this genre is booming. You see, earlier self-help and all was a smaller category.
Yeah.
It was something that was limited to older people, right?
Correct.
Who are in their 30s and 40s trying to look to change their lives. Why has this become such a segment today? And I think I blame the social media / Instagram culture. Because when you look at social media, you have a sense कि यार सब लोग तो successful हैं.
Correct.
मैं ही पीछे हूँ. Earlier, this kind of feeling you would get much later in life.
Right? When you would actually see other people.
Maybe. I'm saying maybe in some context.
No, you know what? It makes sense. Because one, self-confidence is as an all-time low right now. Because people are seeing people on the internet. There are people who are like 16, 17, 18 and they're like, oh my god, I bought my first house वगैरह वगैरह. जो बाद में जाके debunk होता है, बहुत मजा आता है मेरे को. But basically people see stuff like that and they're like, dude, मैं क्या कर रहा life में?
Correct. And my point is, you're also comparing yourself to like the upper 1% को देख के 99% like मैं तो useless है.
नहीं, and also upper 1% का only good days.
Correct.
You don't see their bad days. They will never
No.
put up their bad days also.
This is exactly my point. कि तो social media now is creating this fake sense.
Yeah.
कि by the way, nobody is really successful. It's just giving a fake sense कि everybody my age तो यार बहुत successful हो गया, मैं पीछे क्यों हूँ? And वो मैं पीछे क्यों के चक्कर में you're looking for answers.
Correct.
Which these motivational videos are giving you. Actually, it is all your fault.
Correct.
You know, तू अपना लाइफ ठीक करेगा, तू भी इन Instagram वालों के जैसे super successful, super awesome, super ये वो बन जाएगा. And my thing to you is no bro, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Either, see man, if you want to be like Instagram influencer and project that like kind of image and all, bro, that is acting. You know what?
Yeah,
The point is, it's a way of like projecting and showing one kind of life that people want to see. That being said, nobody can live up to that ideal, man.
No.
You know, because the real people who are living their real lives are not on social media, bro. Trust me.
At all.
Asli 1% किधर है, bro? Mauritius और people who own everything don't have to prove anything to anyone.
Correct.
Yeah. उनको लाइक से मतलब ही नहीं है वो.
You don't see an Ambani putting whatever the fuck he owns on Instagram.
They own the network.
He doesn't want to.
Because he owns the network on which you are seeing Instagram, bro. उसको क्या issue है?
Like अगर अंबानी नहीं करा तो तू तो मत ही कर भाई, रहने दे.
So I feel this whole crisis.
You know what, that makes sense. That makes sense because there is already like एक market है उसके लिए.
Correct.
और market बन गया है through social media platforms.
Correct.
And these guys are just taking advantage of it. That makes sense.
You know, because I was wondering why this motivational, all this bakwas is like booming.
Also,
right?
Jay Shetty blew up on Instagram first.
है ना? Makes sense.
Like he
targeted
he
the
knew.
low follower people.
Also, by the way, Jay Shetty ka claim to fame is that he's an ex-monk. So he's lived like the ideal life, like meditation पूरा किया है, almost मोक्ष प्राप्त किया है and वापस आया, and that is why whatever you say, whatever he says, you have to listen to him. Basically that. And I'm like नहीं.
And bro, किसी का नहीं सुनने का. See man, I think if there is one thing that is true about people who made it big in life or followed their own path, who consider them successful, they didn't listen to anybody.
That's true.
तो अगर तुम्हें सक्सेसफुल बनना है किसी की मत सुन. You have to find your own path, you have to build your own way. And वैसे as a matter of fact मेरे भी मत सुन.
ये वीडियो देखो, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और भूल जाओ चलेगा,
पार्टी करो,
जिंदगी जियो.
हाँ, go at it man.
Dude,
I cancel my own authority. I am self-canceling. Hey man, that should be we should be like, you know, you heard it first at Padaku Panda. The new culture where we cancel
ourselves. Yeah,
by saying you are awesome and we suck.
And you don't need to listen to anyone.
Correct.
Dude,
you are a strong, independent human being who can make their own decisions. And man, you know, power to you.
Power to you.
Actually, you know what? अगर कोई भी self help चाहिए, जैसे तूने बोला था starting में, the only real self help is read some goddamn philosophy. नीचे पढ़ो. Be the Ubermensch.
Dude, read philosophy. It's basically the crux of all self help that you will ever need.
Dude, philosophy पढ़ेगा ना, तेरा mind ऐसे blow हो जाएगा. वो meme नहीं है that the brain at different stages.
Dude, I'll tell you what. So philosophy is basically filter down into the bite-sized things that we see as YouTube videos right now.
Correct.
It's basically that.
It's basically, dude, you're seeing a very corrupted version of the
असली drugs. ऐसा ऊपर का ना क्या ऐसा क्रक्स कि हाँ ये तो सबको समझ में आएगा वो वाला. Actually पढ़ो.
हाँ,
बहुत मजा आता है.
The idea is the motivation videos you're watching is that like really ganda street food.
Yeah.
Philosophy is the gourmet.
Yeah.
Not even gourmet. It is दादी के हाथ का खाना.
Actually it's the दादी के हाथ का खाना.
वो खाओ bro.
दादी के हाथ का दाल चावल है वो. आय जो digest होएगा ना तुम्हारे पास.
ये street food वाला motivation मत खाओ bro.
But actually tell you what, before we wrap up, right? Yeah. I just want to talk about why we are doing this podcast. Okay.
Okay.
Like this is why we felt the need to come out in public and say all of this is shit. So there's this guy called Beer Biceps. I think his name is Ranjit Aluwale or something like that, right? I'll put his name or photo up. So Mr. Beer Biceps has self-proclaimed smartest podcast of India.
By the way, जो भी बोलता है ना कि कोई भी लाइफ में बोलता है कि मैं सबसे बेस्ट इन एनीथिंग है ना, first thing, do not trust. And this nothing to do with Beer Biceps. In life, you meet anybody.
As a thumb rule.
Yeah, correct. कोई बोलता है मैं इसमें सबसे बेस्ट है, do not like trust.
Just नहीं.
Trust मत करने का, आराम से सुनने का quietly और फिर बोलने का, then आराम से सोचने का, because 90% there's something fucking wrong, bro.
And I'll tell you only one example about Beer Biceps in particular and why we decided to do this, right? So Beer Biceps really stands by this one thing called semen retention.
Correct.
That is exactly what it sounds like. Exactly.
Basically, do not masturbate and तू smart हो जाएगा.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's take a deep dive into it.
Correct.
Okay, so I was like, क्या है चुतियापा?
हाँ.
जरा पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में. So apparently it's age old वगैरह वगैरह. Always been there in some religious text or the other. So great.
Correct.
Good start. Let's go.
हाँ.
Now here's where it gets fishy. You shouldn't masturbate because semen has nutrients in it, which makes sense. It has to be built of something. Great. When you don't masturbate, the semen goes back up inside your body. And
As a medical student must be getting aneurysm, ऐसा heart attack रह रहा है डॉक्टर वगैरह को.
wait, there's more.
हाँ.
Where do you think the semen that goes back into your body goes? It goes to the brain. Because apparently there are some chemicals in the semen that are fuel for the brain.
Wow, it
And
is so
This
weird.
is so gross! Are you fucking kidding me?
ये science नहीं है bro. ये
Oh
कुछ
my
भी नहीं है.
God.
Please so here's the thing. Okay, you know what? Here's the thing. Masturbation is a personal thing. You can decide whether you want to masturbate or not. Religious text का point of having control is generally you should have control
general
over your.
self-control.
No, the idea is that it's not like you don't masturbate, you want and you don't. That's not how they mean. They mean that your brain has transcended so much that you don't get that feeling.
Correct.
That is the point of like being a monk.
Yeah.
और like
हाँ,
you have to
basically बोलते हैं,
transcend it.
हाँ,
ये नहीं कि मैं नहीं कर रहा.
आप मोक्ष प्राप्त कर चुके हो, so you've cut ties with all physical
physical
needs.
needs. Like
that is
food.
what it means.
Exactly. It's like कि that's why food जैसे ना कि everything your requirement from the physical world has diminished.
Has gone.
That's the point.
Correct.
But no man. कोई भी किसी ने basic biology भी पढ़ा. My eyes are like my brain is hurting.
I read that and I took a few moments to.
Hey man, so here's the thing. नहीं, sperms don't fuel your brain, यार. By this logic तो women are मंद. उनको तो access ही नहीं है. And you know what? I can't even like go deeper into that whole theory of. I don't know what he thinks how women will get smarter.
No,
so
let's
don't
not start that, please.
Ah.
Beer Vices, don't watch our podcast. It's fine. We don't need you to disprove us. Just don't. It's fine.
वो देखेगा भी नहीं bro. I know all of you who are watching.
Yeah,
You know.
we clearly do.
I know you're the guys who comment. Hey, nice to see you. You
Oh,
know.
man.
Hey Dave, what up? You know.
But
so
yeah.
anyway, cool. So
Yeah.
that's the reason that awful theory is what prompted us to
do
start
this.
this podcast. So do not.
Yeah, just
Listen to him is
yeah.
all I'm saying.
Actually,
whether you masturbate or not, तेरा मर्जी है. Guys, girls, knock
Whatever.
yourself out or
Dude,
don't
I'll
do
tell you
it.
what, there's a-
Up to you. I personally feel, it's good to, sexually gratify yourself.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, there's research on how it's good for your heart and stuff.
No,
Don't get
apparently
addicted.
it's good for men to masturbate regularly so that they don't get prostate cancer.
That's true though, yeah.
There's like legit research on it, and also so I went like, okay, so if this is such a big thing, let's go and verify things, right?
Correct.
Every article that you read out there, and I put this challenge out to the world. If you can give me one article and link it down in the comments that says, okay, this is the actual scientific proof with research regarding semen retention, please let me know, because everything says, no, it's too complex a subject for science to comprehend.
Hey, shut up.
Exactly. तो अगर तुमको मिला प्लीज मेरे
Hey
को
bro,
कमेंट में दो.
you just fuck me man, this is so
is correct.
जितना गंदा. My point is, it is so not true that it is not worth discussing. So somebody said, you know what man, so there's this very nice line which I feel whenever we come across the internet, right? If you're going to give me unverified facts or like you say something unverified, the onus is not for me to give you a verified proof.
हाँ, correct.
तू बकवास बोलेगा, कोई रास्ते में बोल रहा है मैं भगवान है, तू मानेगा क्या? नहीं ना. प्रूफ है तेरे पास? नहीं. तो why should I have to prove that हाँ तू भगवान नहीं है? Getting it?
Got it.
Getting it? No, you don't do it. So just let's not do this. It's fine. It's cool. Fuck you, man. So I mean, this was awesome.
Yeah, man.
Now you know how to be awesome in life.
Yes.
And now I need you to comment what you think is the best way to get ahead in life.
Yeah, actually, that'd be fun to read.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, do you like motivation videos? Like I.
Hey, actually, share us your favorite motivational videos. Let's do that.
Yeah. Do you like motivation videos? What is it that does it help?
Does
Did
it
we
help?
get
Does it
something
not?
wrong? Are we too cynical? I don't know. Probably the answer to cynical part is yes.
Yes,
but
it is.
still. So don't forget to like, share,
Yes.
and subscribe.
We have new episodes out every Friday and small bits of content throughout the week. So like, share, subscribe.
ये fucked it up. ये नहीं कर सकता तू. It's fine. नहीं हो रहा आज.
नहीं.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Like, share, and subscribe.